Adverbs. Words like slowly, brightly, loudly, and swiftly tell us how an action is done. They tell us more about the verb. Such words are known as adverbs. Many adverbs end in ly. We can often make an adverb by adding ly to an adjective. Match the pictures with the sentences, then write the word in red next to the correct picture. One has been done for you. The first picture here is sun. The sun is shining brightly. Brightly is the adverb. Next, aeroplane, which is done already. An aeroplane flies fast. Fast is the adverb. See, Ram is running quickly. Quickly is the adverb. A woodcutter works hard. Hard is the adverb. Rani is walking slowly. Slowly is the adverb. Let's learn. Some adverbs answer the question how. Example, how does Ram run quickly? How does Rani walk slowly? How does the sun shine brightly? How does the plane fly fast? The words quickly, slowly, brightly, and fast tell us how an action is done. Such how words are adverbs. Some adverbs answer the question when. Example, Raman came late. Sheila came early. I bought this pen yesterday. He will come tomorrow. The words late, early, yesterday, and tomorrow tell us when the action is done. Such when words are also adverbs. Some adverbs answer the question where. Example, she lives there. I live here. She looked at the stars above. They are playing outside. The words there, here, above, and outside tell us where the action is done. Such where words are also adverbs. Underline the adverbs in these sentences, then write whether they are how words, when words, or where words. One has been done for you. A. The moon rose slowly. Slowly is the adverb and it is how word. B. The boy went to bed early. Early is the adverb. When word. C. She will go to the fair tomorrow. Tomorrow. When word. D. Ali got up very late. Late. When word. E. Go there. There. Where word. F. She danced gracefully. Gracefully is the adverb and it is a how word. Climb up the ladder. Up. Where word. The children laughed merrily. Merrily. How word. Look at the picture given above. Above. Where word. Keep your passport safely. Safely. How word. I went to visit my grandparents yesterday. Yesterday. When word. The lady spoke to me kindly. Kindly. How word. Use the how words from the box to fill in the blanks. The old man spoke slowly. The birds sang sweetly. The lamp shone brightly. The children played happily. An ostrich ran fast. The children behaved rudely. Mother kissed me gently on the cheek. He answered me well. Use where words from the box to fill in the blanks. One has been done for you. Come here. Don't go there. I searched everywhere. I saw the dark clouds above. Please come in. The manager is out. Use the when words from the box to fill in the blanks. One has been done for you. The school starts at 8 o'clock. Raman came at 8:30. He was late. Sheila came at 7:45. She came early. We went to the library yesterday. They will not go to school tomorrow. Mother said to come home now. He visited Goa 3 years ago. Sanju has used incorrect adverbs in these sentences. Write the correct adverbs. They looked down, dash, and saw an aeroplane in the sky. Instead of down, we have to write up. The rain came up, dash, in buckets, down. The queue moved backward, forward. A tortoise walks quickly, slowly. Will you come to my house yesterday? No, tomorrow. Form groups and put down as many how words as you can. Think of which are formed by adding ly to adjectives. Write the words in the table given below. Add more rows if necessary. Slow plus ly, slowly. Sweet plus ly, sweetly. Quiet plus ly, quietly. Bright plus ly, brightly. Quick plus ly, quickly. Complete the following sentences about yourself using adverbs. How words. I can sing beautifully. I can dance gracefully. I can shout loudly. I can whisper softly. I can work hard. I can paint well. I can write neatly. I can ride my bicycle fast.